Hey guys, so we made a little run to Home Depot and Lowe's and picked up some plants, so let's see what they are.
Turn the light on if you need it.
Oh, I gotcha. Hey guys, sorry about that. So we went to Home Depot and Lowe's, so just a quick little pan view of what we got. So this guy right here is this awesomely big tomato. It is a Biltmore. It is the Bonnie Select Harvest variety for Biltmores. And they come in this nifty little caged pot here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to take it out of the pot. The goal is gonna be to leave it, and hopefully I don't have to fuss with it and it can just be happy and do its little thing. But if it comes down to it, I will be able to. These are plastic between the cage and the pot itself, so they're lightweight, easy to move. I'm assuming that these were designed for people's patios and just easy container gardening, not gardening. So it's not too bad.
17 instead of 20.
Oh yes, and I'm not sure if they're on a discount or if it was priced wrong, but the price on the tag says $19.98, I think. Yes, and it rang up as $17.98 instead. So woohoo, $2 savings, right there. All right, and then this is, I think it's Sweet Mint. Where is your tag? Yes, this is Sweet Mint. We've got 2 of them because I really wanted mint, so I can make like mint tea and stuff like that, and have it in my lemonade or whatnot whenever I make that. So these are really nice. They smell amazing. They were super fragrant when my husband brought them into the yard. And anytime you touch them, it just smells awesome. So I'm super excited about those. Those ones, more than likely, I will either repot or put them in the ground. I haven't quite decided exactly how I want to do it, but I'm deciding on that one. And then we decided to make the trip to Lowe's to kind of just look around and see what they had. And they had these huge pepper plants here. These ones up front, again, plastic pot, plastic cage. These ones are the Bonnie Fresh, Foodie Fresh. These ones were marked down to $18.98, but they rang up also $17.
They were $17.98. Yeah.
Okay, so they all also rang up $1 cheaper than what it's listed here on the price tag. It looks like they've marked the price down a few times, so it looks like these ones have been around for a little while. These have lots of peppers. I'm not sure. Let's see if I get some more light. Oh, maybe I have to hold it. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, so you can see here they already have pretty much loaded with peppers. I think we're going to let them ripen some more. Funny enough, this pepper here is actually stuck in the dirt a little bit, so that one might be the first one to get picked. This one here, let me turn it around so you can see it better. This one here had a red pepper already, but bugs or birds got to it, so there's a little hole right there. But it is also loaded with peppers, and it has tons of little baby peppers growing on them. And again, it was also 17 instead of 18. These big guys are both chili peppers. So the ones that you make chili flakes out of. And they have tons of peppers hiding in there. I'm not going to see them very well. There's one right there. They all vary in stages, so some of them are still growing, some of them are getting close to maturity. So I thought that was pretty cool. This one being the biggest plant right here, as you can see. So these are going to be living outside in my garden. I'm not sure where I'm putting them yet, but I'll do a tour so that way you guys can see where they ended up. The only one that may or may not end up inside is the mint. Everything else has to go outside. But I'm not sure if we want to put the mint out or not, which is why I don't know if I want to put it in a container or just put it in the ground. So we'll see. But it's a quick little video of everything. So that's the name that I have. Oh, let me get rid of this light so it doesn't glare. And then that's the name on these ones as well. When we rang these up, the lady rang both of these up individually in sets, and they came up as the exact same thing, so I guess it doesn't really matter what you ring up as long as it gets rang up. But yeah, all in all, so far I'm happy. My husband seems happy. He picked out the pepper plants, the big ones, and I pointed out these because they were the only ones there. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys could like, comment, subscribe, that'd be very appreciated, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Bye!